The Flightdeck ceramic bezel is based on the regular Flightdeck chronos, 50mm case, pushers and crown on the left. The watch runs on a 7750 automatic chronograph movement, Swiss made, and you can see it through the exhibition back through the sapphire crystal. Of course, the Flightdeck chronos are quite sporty watches, but the ceramic bezel has a lot of elegant features, including this alligator and rubber strap and the glossy finish of the ceramic bezel. Even the way the carbon fiber of the dial looks altogether makes it gives it a sort of high-tech, luxury, elegant feel. All the pushers and the crown are on the left side, therefore the functions are inverse, so start stop is at the bottom and reset is at the top. And the crown cover protects an already very sturdy crown, which, as I've said several times in the past, for Flightdecks, it is solid at all positions, even when changing the time and date.